Well, here we go. Bunch of empty wood chip hoppers going north. I think that's a shake, rattle, and roll car right there. I think that's a wobbly car, unless it's just the rails. Listen at that. Awesome GP 40-2, the second unit trailing. An awesome Road Slug unit trailing, the third unit. Normally these trains will be done up to good speed. Looks like a little bit of damage right there, maybe. I think they're gonna stop and put Freddy on down here. They don't normally do that down here. Unless this is a long train. This is the part that I caught down at Coppers. This train, I think, is longer than what I think. There's that beautiful graffiti right there. Yeah, they gave him the green indication. I don't understand. He's not even really going up to good speed. Unless there's another train coming from the opposite direction. That may be what's going on. It does look like he's slowing down, and it sounds like it. That's exactly what he's gonna do. They're gonna stop. They don't normally do that here. This is so odd and so rare. Something you don't see. I was ready for this train to take off and start booking. But that's not gonna be the case. They're stopping to put Freddy on, I believe. I think there's a DPU on the end. They stopped to put Freddy on. It's gonna be a few minutes before this train moves. In such a busy crossing and such a rare area, I don't understand why they do stuff like this. All right, we'll try to get part 2.